Welcome! In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to create your donation page using the Payments2Us Studio. Here's what your donation page could look like when it's done. From inspiring visuals to smooth donation processing, everything can be tailored to your campaign. Here are 4 simple steps to help you create a complete branded donation page. Step 1, we start by creating a 3-step donation form. Step 2, select your page template. Step 3, customize your page content. And finally, Step 4, link the form to your pages and preview everything. Step 1 is broken down into 3 parts, and we will be looking into these aspects. Let's start off by getting the donation form link from Salesforce. First, go to the Merchant Facilities and select your merchant facility. Now click on the Payment Form Builder button. Then click on the Your Website button. Copy the web link and paste it into your notepad. You'll need it later. We will now move on to next step, which is to create and customize the payment form. On Payments2Us Studio, click the Add Form button. Give your form a unique title and paste the URL you got from Salesforce and click the Create button. You can now edit the form. You may change the font color of the form. Similarly, you can change the background color and other styling options. Toggle to the Amount section to change donation amount. You may also replace the image and description that reflects your donation amount. If you want to customize the fields shown in your donation form, hover to the Contact section to select the necessary fields you'd like to collect. For more information about the custom field, please refer to the link in the description box. Moving to the next step, I will show you how to edit payment form theme in your Salesforce account. In your Salesforce account, click on Merchant Facilities and scroll down to Theme under User Interface. Click the pencil icon and you may select the payment firm theme that you prefer. If you want to customize a theme, you can find the link in the description below. Moving on to Step 2, in the Payments2Us Studio, you can select a page template that matches your donation drive theme. Step 2 is broken down into 2 parts, and we will be looking into both aspects. Let's start off by selecting Donation Page Template. Click on Create a Page button and select Donation Page. Name your donation page. Give your donation page an expiry date to activate the Donation Drive Countdown feature. You can leave it blank if you don't want an expiry date. Set your appeal goal. The appeal goal and countdown feature is linked to a widget. If you want to display them on the donation page, you need to add the widget when you're customizing the donation page. For the Select Form and Thank You page sections, leave them for now. We'll come back to them later. We will now move on to next step, which is selecting Thank You Page Template to create a thank you page. Hover to Create a Page button to select Thank You Page. Select the template and click Next. Then name your thank you page. In Step 3, once your template is loaded, I'll show you how to quickly brand your donation page by editing the images, text, colors, by adding optional widgets using the drag and drop builder. Step 3 is divided into 2 parts, and we will be exploring both components. Let's start off by customizing the donation page. To change the header image, simply click on the image area, then hover over the Change Image button and upload the image you'd like to use. You can also edit the text content by clicking into any of the text box. From there, you can update the message, adjust the font style, text color, and font size to match your brand's look and feel. To change the background color of your donation page, click on the background area and select the color that best represents your campaign. If you'd like to add extra elements, click on the Widgets and Layouts buttons at the top right. Choose a widget you like and simply drag and drop it to the desired location on your page. Widgets are small elements that you can add to your layouts to enhance your page. For example, you can even add a YouTube video. The process is really simple. Just drag the YouTube widget onto your layout, then paste the YouTube link of the video you want to display. We will now move on to the next step, to customize the thank you page. You can follow the same steps used to customize the donation page to customize the appearance of your thank you page. You can also link your donation page to the Back to Site button, so users are directed back to the donation page. Here is how you do it. Click on the button. Under Action section, select Link to Custom URL and paste your donation page URL. You can also modify the user's donation details you want to display on the thank you page by removing or adding fields. Once you've finished customizing the thank you page, we'll move on to step 4, linking your donation page to the thank you page. This step is important to ensure the thank you page appears after a donation is completed. Step 4 is broken down into 2 parts, and we will be looking into both aspects. Let's start off by linking donation form to your donation page. In the Payments2Us Studio, hover over your donation page and select Update Details. Click on Select Form to choose your donation form. Then, select the thank you page that corresponds to your donation page. Set the status to ensure your donation page is active. That's it, you've now successfully linked your donation page to your thank you page. Moving on to the next step, we'll be linking the donation page to the thank you page. In your Salesforce account, go to the donation payment form, hover over Success URL, and paste the thank you page link. Then, add Success URL parameters to pass the donation details to the thank you page. These Success URL parameters are linked to the fields displayed on the thank you page. These fields will only appear on the thank you page if they are passed through the Success URL parameters. For more information about Success URL parameters, refer to the link in the description box below. Set confirmation page action to bypass confirmation page, go to Success URL top. Finally, we'll save the page and go through a preview and basic test to make sure everything looks and works perfectly before going live. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to like and subscribe. For more information about Payments2Us, click the link in the description below.